Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful flower headband. For this, we are using 3 colors of yarn, crochet hook and a cutter. This headband looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. To do this beautiful headband, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and popcorn stitch. First we will do this base by doing single crochet around, then this lower part in green and then the flower. So now let's see how to do this beautiful headband. Start with a slip knot. Take the headband. You are going to insert it in the slip knot like this. Pull like this. Chain one, yarn over, pull through the loop. Next we are going to do single crochet around this headband. So insert the hook under the headband like this, yarn over, pull through the hook and the yarn under the headband. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise you are going to do the single crochet. Insert the hook under the headband, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So insert the hook under the headband, yarn over, pull the hook and the yarn under the headband. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to do them around this headband till you reach this end. After doing single crochet around the headband, it looks like this. Last, do chain one and snip off this yarn. So it looks like this. For next round, you can skip any amount of stitches you want. Randomly, I am inserting the stitch here. Take the yarn, pull through, do 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, you are going to do double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, do 2 chain. 1, 2. Skip 4 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this 5th stitch, you are going to do the double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same stitch. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this round by skipping 4 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and in the 5th stitch you are going to do double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet in the same stitch. So skip 4 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and in this 5th stitch you are going to do a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet in the same stitch. So it looks like this. You will continue them around till you reach this point. So this and this should be straight. Till then you are going to follow this pattern. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So it looks like this. Next, you are going to make the flower. So insert in this chain 2 gap. Take the yarn, pull through, chain 2. You are going to do 5 double crochet inside this gap. You are going to do a popcorn stitch. So for that, you will be doing 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after doing them, it looks like this. We'll remove the hook, insert the hook in this first double crochet, insert it in this loop and pull. Next, do 2 chain and do a single crochet in this chain 4 space. It looks like this. You are going to follow this pattern. So do chain 2. You are going to do a popcorn stitch in this chain 2 space. For that, you are going to do 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, remove the hook from this loop, insert it in this first double crochet, insert it in this loop and pull. Next, chain 2 and do a single crochet in this chain 4 gap. So now we are done with the next flower. It looks like this. You are going to follow this pattern till this end. That is, you do chain 2 and in this chain 2 space you are going to make a popcorn stitch. For that you are going to do 5 double crochet. Remove the hook from this loop, insert it in this first double crochet, insert in this loop and pull. Next do chain 2 and do a single crochet in the chain 4 space. So it looks like this. So let's see how it looks after completing them till this end. After doing them, the headband looks like this. Last, do a chain 2 and do a single crochet in the same stitch. Next do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So flower headband looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.